And now, San Diego Connect.
I'm Heather Rowe. When considering cosmetic surgery, the choices and processes can seem overwhelming. Dr. Robert Singer is a nationally acclaimed plastic surgeon who specializes in facelifts and other plastic surgeries that give women that fountain of youth. And he is here to help guide us through the many choices and decisions. Great to have you here, doctor. I want to start with age. How young can you start?
Well, I'm happy to be here, Heather. The question of age, everybody ages differently. There's not one specific time to do it. We see patients earlier than we used to because the techniques have gotten better, and there can be more modified and individualized, which is key. The bulk of the patients that we see are probably in the late 40s, early 50s. It used to be in the 60s. So the time to do it is when it bothers you and it can be realistically improved.
So what are some of the procedures that you offer?
Well, we offer a variety of procedures, both surgical and non-surgical, but let's talk about the surgical aspect. What means a facelift to one person or a surgeon, or a modified facelift or a mini facelift, are all different. The key thing is not have a standard procedure that you try to fit the patient into, but individualized based on their anatomy, their needs, and their expectations. The basis of that is elevating the tissue to a better position, taking away the excess, and adding where things are deficient to make it look natural. What we don't want is that old, operated, overdone, wind-blown look. Patients want to look better. They don't want to look different.
And their family members appreciate that as well, so they look like themselves. Let's talk about the pandemic. What safety changes have you put in place?
I was involved in the task force for plastic surgeons on COVID, bringing patients back into the office safely. We've instituted a lot of guidelines, pre-screening, and then all the measures of sterility that are necessary to protect the patient and the staff. And actually, we just published a study that shows the safety record during COVID.
All right, thanks so much, doctor. For your free consultation with Dr. Singer, you can call them at 858-455-0290, or you can go to primeplasticsurgery.com.